Assalamu Walaikum. In this video, I will show you how to generate QR code in Microsoft Word. Let's get started. Firstly, you have to enable developer tab. If you do not have developer tab, you have to go file menu, option, customize ribbon and check mark the developer to tab and hit OK. Now go to the add-ons, click the Office Store and type the QR for Office. Click the Add, Continue. Click the drop down menu. You can select URL, number, SMS and custom text. I will add custom text. You can increase, decrease QR code size. You can change color, QR code color and background color. And finally hit insert. If you move this QR code anywhere easily, just wrap the QR code in front of text. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comments and share. Thanks for watching.